Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to give three best stocks for 1 year holdings, one to two in between. So I'm expecting these stocks to give very good returns in 1 year. It can give within a 1 year also. So let's check those three stocks. So before going that, I just want to show you something. So this is my Facebook page where I used to post the trades, swing tradings, and positional trades in a higher level time frame. So you can check out this page for weekly updates, and I used to post here the chart analysis of my view. Okay, and yeah, check out this page. Don't forget to check out. I will give this link in the description. So we'll go to in the topic. So first of all, we have three best stocks. I think it's the best time to enter. But before showing that three stocks, I'm just giving you that disclaimer. You should analyze yourself before taking position. I'm not suggesting anyone to take the position, but I'm giving my view and trying to learn the how to analyze these stocks. I'm trying to give that knowledge on that. So okay, and also try to analyze on what basis I'm giving the stocks for you. Okay. This is completely related to technical analysis, guys. It's not included any fundamental related things. And on the basis of technical only, I'm giving these three stocks for you. Just at least, guys, at least observe these stocks so that you can learn why I had given these stocks. Okay, so let's get into it. The very first stock is Delta Crop. Okay, let me go to 1 month time frame. So you can see I have already drawn the trend lines here. So this is completely technical related, and this as per fundamental also this stock is good. Here you can see there is a clear breakout in the monthly time frame, and I am expecting the stock to give at least it reach to at least 400. It can make new high here. I'm expecting 100% returns within a 1 year, or one within between 1 to 2 years. Okay, don't forget this. You have to hold this stock. Be patient. Okay, if you are putting money there, you should wait for the momentum, right momentum. Okay, so I definitely I can say this is a very good place to buy. Okay, buy this stock. And also you can see there is lower lows. It is not crossed the recent lows and all. You can see this is a lower low and it is not crossed. This is second lower low and this is not crossed, and this is third lower low and this is not crossed. Okay, you can see you can say that no buyers are accumulated here. And you can see we got a very good breakout after that, and we need confirmation. That is a confirmation in the sense breakout, and it can retrace here, but uh, we cannot say definitely it will give retracement, but we can take the some quantity, and if it is giving retracement, and we can add some more quantity for the average. Okay, I feel this is very good stock for 1 or 2 years. So if you see, I will say, if anyone wants to keep stop loss, you can keep the stop loss at this level. But remember one thing, can one candle has to close below these levels. Okay, unless it close the candle, don't exit the trade. I suggest candle close is very important. Okay, I lost so much trades on that. Okay, initially. So I'm expecting at least a recent high at these levels, 100% return. Okay, don't see RR ratio and all. I'm just giving these stop loss for safer sides. Okay, but in the long run, we need to wait for the target. So I'm expecting these target in future coming 1 year. Okay, So we'll go to next one. Next stock is JK Tires and Industries. You can see this is very good. Actually, this is very good potential, bullish swing. Okay, and you can say this is a breakout here, and it's already in a run. Okay, uh, definitely I'm expecting this at least 50% return. Sorry, 100% return. We will get. Okay, it may take time, but definitely it will give profit. I'm as per my knowledge. Okay, my analysis. And if anyone wants to keep stop loss, okay, let me give that one also. So if your entry is here, this would be your stop loss with a candle close. Don't forget, candle close is very important. And I'm expecting 100% returns in this. So JK Tires is a very good, no, on these JK Tires, some of the other stocks are also there. JK Peppers and JK uh, Cements, some stocks are there. Those are already given the momentum. So the pending stock is this one. Definitely, I'm expecting this stock has to stock will move up like bullish. I'm expecting these to reach my target within 1 or 1.5 years. Definitely, I'm expecting on this. So, guys, if you are planning to take any trades, just consult your advice, financial manager, or no, take your own risk. Okay, I'm just sharing my analysis for the long term, and I'm also holding some shares on this stocks. Okay, I'm just giving my view on the stocks. Okay, and next stock is NCC. You can see NCC. I have already drawn the trend line. So it had reached the previous low, and from there it had bounced back. Okay, after the bounce, there is a resistance line here. So, but before telling you, we have to wait for the candle close, as I told you. But here you can see the candle already given the breakout, but it could not able to sustain, and it is coming back. So we need to wait for the candle close, whether it will close above this line and below this line. So if it is closing below this line, red candle, don't take the trade for this month and wait for next closing, like next month closing. If it is giving momentum and closing above this 100 and above this 100 price, definitely this is also a good stock to buy. Okay, I suggest you to wait for a breakout, and if it is given the breakout with a good volumes, and you can see this can be your stop loss. Okay, with at least candle close, and you can expect up to if it is breaks, definitely you will get this momentum like this up to 80% returns. You can get that. So trust me, you can observe these stocks. If even if you don't want to take the trades, just observe the stocks and try to learn the concept on what basis I'm giving these stocks. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to like. If you just want to know any other stocks analysis, you can comment in the comment section. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching this video. In future, definitely I will make one more video about these stocks. After 1 year, if it is reaching this target or stop loss, definitely I will make a video on this. So keep watching. Thank you.